This is an elevator to tracks 3 and 4. Jefferson Station / Market East Station, Center City, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. It's an Otis from 1984. Station turned 40 last month. Here it is. That does not light up. P. I don't think P lights up. That's my beanie. Did some Christmas shopping. There's the concourse. Go back up to S. That indicator is completely burned out. There's tracks 3 and 4. S, close it up. Let's go down to C. We're going to go down to C. And P from there, because I want to see if the down lantern works here too. If this is the same one I took. Nope. Oh, I wonder if the up one works. Should be cupping up any minute. Here comes. Does up work? Nope. Oh, you going up? I'm going down. All right. Have a good night.
Take care.
I'll turn off my beanie so that way I can charge it for whenever I go to the come back here for the Philadelphia Auto Show. I really like all the mosaics here. There's a little map. Here it is. And P, close it up. We're going to send it up to S. That does not work either. But anyways, just back up here. Got my key card. There it goes, and that's it.